The OOTDAY Pool Robot OT-2000 is an impressive robotic cleaner designed for in-ground pools, offering a cordless operation that can efficiently clean floors, walls, and the waterline. With a powerful suction system, the robot uses a 7,800 milliampere hour battery and a 180-watt brushless motor to effectively remove debris and trash from the pool surface. Equipped with advanced navigation technology, this smart pool vacuum utilizes over 20 sensors to ensure precise cleaning along an N-shaped path, enhancing efficiency significantly. The self-parking feature is a convenient addition, allowing the robot to return to the pool edge when the battery is low, making retrieval easy and hassle-free. The LED indicators on the OOTDAY Pool Robot provide real-time status updates, ensuring you are always informed about its cleaning progress and battery status. Its advanced filtration system is capable of capturing fine particles like sand and dust, which helps to reduce the frequency of filter maintenance.